welcome back to my channel. It's your girl India, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hello if you are new here, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. Today, as you can see in the title, I will be doing some Boho Mini Twist, and you guys, I'm super excited. This is gonna kind of be my first time doing mini twists, so we'll see how it goes. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. My hair is actually dry now because I had it in that towel. For my shampoo, you guys know lately I've been using the Royal Oils from Head and Shoulders, and then my deep conditioner, I use the Palmer's Length Retention deep conditioner. So that's what I use to wash and deep condition my hair. Today I'm going to be using the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut leave-in conditioner. I really like this conditioner, so I'm hopeful that this leave-in conditioner does really well with these mini twists, and it smells really good too. And for my mousse, because I've watched some videos and I see a lot of people use mousse to finish it off, I'm going to be using the Maui Moisture Hairstyle Flexible Hold Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse for dry curly hair. So I'm going to be using this mousse, and again, I've never done this before really, so I'm just going to experiment and try. I do have my comb here so I can make my parts. Y'all already know the struggle with me and parting hair, so this is one reason why I usually don't do styles like this, because I suck at parting my hair. But it's okay if the parts aren't perfect. We're just gonna move through it anyway. And yeah guys, that's all I have. Other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, your girl is tired. Okay, let me tell you something about these mini twists. Woo, she don't know if she gonna be doing no mini twists no more time soon, okay? So I've got finished with the back. I'm about to get started on the side. I actually did this first row here, and so I was like, let me come back in and give you guys an update. So here is what the back is looking like. Okay. Y'all don't say nothing about my parts. Y'all already know I don't know how to part good, so it is what it is, and I'm tired, okay? I'm ready to finish, okay? So I wanted to just jump in and show you guys what I've been doing. So literally, you know, my little rusty dusty part is there. I literally part my hair off. Like, the front part should be a little bit more straighter because I can see it better than in the back. But y'all, I'm so tired. Your girl kind of don't care right now. But anyway, I clipped this off so I have my hair here. And then I'm adding my leave-in. Adding my leave-in and just kind of finger detangling my hair to get the curls going. And this is all I'm putting in my hair is the leave-in conditioner, nothing else. So get that through, get the curls back popping. And then I take it and I twist it. I know that I've seen some people who braided the roots, but y'all, I'm glad I didn't do that because it would have taken even more time. And y'all, I don't feel like it. So to make it the boho look, I just pull a piece out like that and then keep going. And then I've been pulling out 2 pieces. So I'll pull another piece. And that kind of gives it that boho illusion look that I am going for. Because I think this makes it look even more fuller to me. And then I just go back and kind of twist it so it can get defined, and then that's it. And so this is what it looks like. So like I said, I like how it's giving me a more fuller look. I like the curls. I am excited to see what it's gonna look like once I put the mousse on it. So I'm just gonna finish up because I promise y'all don't want to watch me to continue to twist hair, because literally that's all I'm doing is parting and twisting, and that's all I'm gonna continue to do. So I will see y'all once I am done so I can put my mousse on. All right, y'all, it has been a while, okay, and I finally got these mini twists in. Now don't get me wrong, it's super cute. The only thing that I need to do is like, I will lay my edges. I do like how it looks. So right now I just have the leave-in in so y'all can see. I'm gonna show y'all the back. And that's why I wasn't focused too much on my parts, because, you know, hopefully you can't see it too bad. So now I'm about to do my mousse and see if that gets us right. So I'm just gonna do a couple of pumps. So this is what we are looking like. I'm just going to let this dry and we'll see how much shrinkage I get. Right now the length is good. I knew I was going to get some shrinkage, but it's actually hanging on pretty good. So I'm going to let this dry. Right now I'm liking it, but y'all, it took so long. I don't know if I'm going to do this again because now I'm afraid to take it down. But that's a whole nother video. So I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like when it dries. Good morning. It is the next day, and as you can see, it's kind of frizzy and I'm not feeling it. I did just try to put a little bit more mousse on it to see if it would make the frizz go away, but it's not really working. So I like the style, but I'm not liking the frizz. And if you're like me and if you are a gel girl, then the mousse is just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna try something different. I am going to try to use a little Wetline and see if I can get it to kind of not be as frizzy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hands and rake it down my hair just as I would with the mousse. And then I'm gonna take some of those pieces that was frizzy like this, and see it's looking better already, and just kind of almost shingle it like if I was doing a wash and go. Excuse my voice, y'all. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of shingle a little bit just so we can get rid of some of that frizz. And like I said, it's looking better already. Like I said, I like the style, I just don't like all that frizz. It's too much for day one hair. If it was like day 3 or 4, then it's like, oh, okay, I get it. I'm gonna get frizz, but I just did it yesterday. I shouldn't have this much frizz. And I know it's the mousse. So I'm just gonna continue to do this and see if it makes a difference. And I'll come back and let you guys see. y'all. So I put the water and the gel on my hair. It looks much better, but of course I'm gonna let this dry. It shouldn't take long because I didn't like soaking with it. I just damped it a little bit. So once it completely dries, we'll see if the frizz goes away. I think it will. This looks a lot better, and I'm just gonna put some oil on top. So we'll see once this dries what it looks like. Cross your fingers. Hopefully it looks just like this, just dry. Hey y'all, I am back. My hair is 100% dry. I did try to do a little something with my edges, and I did put some oil on my hair. I must say, you guys, like, I am loving the way that this looks. I'm looking at my mirror over here. My hair feels really good. There is still some frizz, but it's not bothering me as much as it looked. So actually using the gel on it made it a lot better. So if you can see, like, my curls are more defined. There's less frizz. I'll turn around and show you guys the back. Super cute. So y'all, I said I wouldn't do the mini twist, or at least I wouldn't do the Boho Mini Twist again because it took so long, but I don't know, y'all. I'm really loving the way that this looks, and I feel like this is gonna last me a long time. So I think the mini twist, the Boho Mini Twist, is a yes for me. I think I would definitely do it again. I would just plan better with my time as far as how long it's going to take me to do them, but I would definitely do this style again. It's super cute, super easy. I feel like I could refresh this if I needed to. You guys seen me earlier spraying the water, adding the gel, like, and then it was like it was new. So I think the Boho Mini Twists are a yes. So if you have time, because girl, let me tell you, it's gonna take you some time to do it, okay? Like, block out your favorite podcast or block out your favorite YouTube videos to watch and just twist away, okay? If I can do it, you can do it, okay? Trust me. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, as always, to subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and share it. Share this video with a friend, okay? And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.